Hello ladies and gentlemen. I apologize if the screen seems a little bit more suckier. My previous camera got damaged, but anyway, let's get to the video. I'm working on a Westinghouse digital model number 3710. The TV does turn on, but it makes a humming sound, and sometimes when the sound goes a certain level, it turns off and resets itself, or sometimes it just turns off. So here we go. I'm gonna power it on. As you heard it, and here you go. As you see, as the lights turn on, you see it in the background, but a horrible noise. So, as I was expecting, as I was looking at the TV, I ran into this capacitor. As you can see, it's a little bit bowed on the end. It's supposed to be flat. So I'm going to change that capacitor and see if that's just the problem. So, just want to say, yes, the camera looks much better than the first image. I was able to get the replacement capacitor. So stay tuned. Once I connect it, I'll test it out. Hopefully, it's good to go. So let's see if this one capacitor was the problem. So one last time so you can see it. The capacitor has 50 volts more than the old one. The old one had 450 volts. It's always okay to go a little bit higher in the voltage. So here we go. Let's turn on the TV. Let's see if the buzzing sound went away. I hear a little humming sound, but that's the way it sounds when the power supply is turning on. There you go. So here we go. So the buzzing sound left. So it looks like the TV got fixed. Now, if you run into a problem where the TV still has that buzzing sound, then maybe you gotta you gotta check other capacitors and get new capacitors or whatever components that's not good. So here I'm just gonna demonstrate if the sound sounds good or not. This is my channel, one of my videos in my channel I'm about to put on. Let's see. There we go. Sounds nice and clear. So look, everything worked out just perfect. Have a blessed day.